If you're seeing an unexpected error on Beehiiv, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your dashboard and keep working. This is a simple troubleshooting guide for Beehiiv users, and we're going to start with the easiest solution first, then move through the more effective browser fixes if the problem is still there. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's fix it. First, do a hard refresh of the page. A normal reload sometimes keeps the same broken page data in your browser, but a hard refresh forces Beehiiv to load everything again from scratch. On Windows, you can usually press Ctrl plus F5, and on a Mac, you can try Command plus Shift plus R. After that, wait a moment and see if the unexpected error disappears. This is one of the quickest ways to clear temporary glitches without changing any settings. If the error is still showing, the next step is to open Beehiiv in an incognito or private browsing window. This is a really useful test because private mode turns off most stored browser data and often disables extensions by default. If Beehiiv works in incognito, that tells you the problem is probably coming from your regular browser session, your cache, cookies, or one of your extensions. If it still does not work, then the issue may be broader, and we'll keep narrowing it down. Now let's clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, old stored files can conflict with the current Beehiiv page and trigger unexpected errors. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear cached images and files, along with cookies if needed. After clearing them, restart the browser completely and then sign back into Beehiiv. This often fixes loading problems, broken dashboards, and strange error messages that seem to come out of nowhere. If you still see the Beehiiv unexpected error, disable your browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and other extension-based security tools can interfere with Beehiiv scripts and stop parts of the site from loading properly. Turn off your extensions one by one, or disable them all for a quick test, then refresh Beehiiv again. If the error goes away after disabling one of them, you found the cause. In that case, you can keep that extension off for Beehiiv or add Beehiiv to its allow list. Next, test Beehiiv in another browser. If you normally use Chrome, try Safari, Edge, or Firefox. If you use Firefox, try Chrome instead. This helps you figure out whether the issue is tied to your current browser or something more general. A browser-specific problem can usually be fixed by updating the browser, clearing data, or adjusting extension settings. If Beehiiv works perfectly in another browser, that's a strong sign the problem is local to your main browser setup. If you've gone through all of these steps and the Beehiiv unexpected error is still happening, then the issue may be temporary on Beehiiv's side or related to your account session. At that point, give it a little time, try again later, and check whether Beehiiv has posted any status updates. But in many cases, one of these browser fixes solves the issue quickly. So to recap, the best way to fix Beehiiv unexpected error is to hard refresh, try incognito mode, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, and test another browser. These steps solve most common access and loading problems without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.